Let's create a new query. So we're going to do a dynamic constituent query, and we're going to start with, this scenario would not require merging, right? There's going to be people that say, Stacey, I don't like merging queries. It's dumb. I try to get all my criteria into the same query. I like merging queries for real complicated scenarios where you have a group of people with 89 criteria that you want to include, and then you have a group of people with 96 criteria that you need to exclude. Love making two queries for that and subtracting one from the other. This is just how to merge queries for fun for those of you that like to do it. And if you've never tried merging queries, I think it's super useful. So that's what we're going to do, even though I understand this particular scenario does not require merging, just for kicks. Okay, so I want to find first all my donors since, let's say, 2020. So we're going to do gift date greater than or equal to January 1st, 2020. And that's all I'm going to put in this one. I'm just going to call this, I'm going to save it and call it recent donors webinar, and I'll put it in my important queries and we'll save it. Okay, so now I'm going to make my other query, which is going to be another dynamic constituent query for donors that with an address in Nebraska. A quick note on criteria. Things that are in weird places, remember to check that cheat sheet for stuff that has had names changed. So custom fields, our attributes are now called custom fields. Things like fundraisers are called fundraisers now instead of solicitors and such. So if you ever can't find a field, it's probably in there with a new name.
Why did Blackbaud decide to rename everything?
Great question. Anybody? Just to make us all nervous and think that we're going crazy.
Just to make us all, really study up as we look at another view.
All right, so we're going to go to preferred state equals Nebraska, where all the cool kids live. And we are going to save this also. Oh, this is not donors, this is just constituents. Try to be precise in our naming here. And I want this in my important queries also, and I'll save it.